Hey, it's day 3. Actually, day 4. Yesterday was day 3. They haven't showed up today, and this is the progress on the pool. Definitely a bit deeper. And here's all the sand by the palapa, and they've had to stack it over here as well. It's starting to run out of room to stick all this extra sand, which we are going to be keeping. We're going to spread it out, probably over here right near the beach. Also, I hadn't shown off that we got a painted gate. It's not going to be here forever. We are going to keep it for a while, and it's looking kind of cute, isn't it? So I find a nice addition. You get to see that while sitting on the palapa. But we're off to the beach, do some swimming. And to go. Love Mexico.